Here's how to clean your AirPods and AirPods Pro without damaging them. First, let's gather our cleaning tools. Prepare a soft, lint-free cloth, some isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, a toothpick, and a soft bristled toothbrush. Once everything's ready, let's start with the AirPods exterior, aka the main dirt magnet. First, dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the exterior. Got some stubborn dirt around the edges. A toothpick will be your best friend here, but remember, always be gentle. For the finishing touch, a soft toothbrush can brush off any remaining debris. Once done, give it a final wipe with your lint-free cloth. Here's a pro tip. Let your AirPods dry for at least 30 minutes before using them to avoid any moisture issues. Onto the speaker mesh. This part's a bit tricky, but with the right technique, it can be just a breeze. If you're using AirPods Pro, start by removing the ear tips and setting them aside. This gives you better access to the mesh. Once that's out of the way, use a dry cotton swab to gently wipe around the speaker hole. Next, use the soft toothbrush to dislodge any trapped dirt. Now let's clean the ear tips you just removed. Grab your ear tips and wipe off any surface dirt. Then prepare your soapy water mix. That is 1 part soap for 2 parts water. Give your ear tips a gentle rinse in the soapy water. You can dip them for at least 5 minutes to make sure every dirt or wax softens and gets removed. Dry them thoroughly by wiping them up and letting them air out for about 30 minutes before reattaching them. Last but not least, the charging case. This one's not just about aesthetics. A dirty case can prevent your AirPods from charging properly. For this, wipe the exterior with a cloth slightly dampened in isopropyl alcohol. For the inside, especially around the charging pins, a cotton swab works wonders. Hard to reach areas? That's where our trusty toothpick comes in. Just use the tip to take off the stubborn dirt on those edges. Finish off with a dry cloth and you're good to go. And there you have it, sparkling clean AirPods that look and sound as good as new. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more headphone tips. For more info, including troubleshooting tips, don'ts, and even how to clean your AirPods Max, check out the link in the description below.